Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the maths class. Children, today we are going to study measurement. In last class, we have studied about centimeter and meter. Now let's revise. Do you know when measuring tapes were not there, how people used to measure things? Most of the time, they were using arm size. For example, forearm size cloth, forearm size rope, arm size are shown on the screen. But the problem was arm size used to change as per the person. Sometimes it's long and sometimes it's short. Now, thanks to measurements due to which there is no confusion. On screen, you can see the scale. Every one of you have this scale in your geometry box, right? It always starts from 0 and its length is 15. Unit for this is centimeter. Now let's understand the scale first. This small portion is half centimeter. This 0 to 1 is equal to 1 centimeter. Now 3 to 5 is 2 centimeter and so on. The length of scale is 15 centimeter. We use this for measuring small things. Let us see some examples. Now let's measure the length of matchstick. Length is from 0 to 5. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Hence it is 5 centimeter. And do note the start point is 0. Now let's measure the length of pencil. Length is from 0 to 9. So 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. So it is 9 centimeter. And here also the start point is 0. Now let's measure the length of remote. Length starts from 1 to 8. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So its length is 7 centimeter. And note here start point is 1, not 0. Hence we did 8 minus 1. You must be wondering, what are these small lines on this scale? These are the millimeter lines. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Hence 10 small lines are there. 1 centimeter is written as 1 cm. 1 millimeter is written as 1 mm. But we can't use this for bigger things. For this we have another measurement. You must have visited cloth shop with your parents, right? And must have noted the meter rod there. The salesperson uses this for measuring cloth. Even we can have it at home. Not rod, maybe a rope of 100 centimeter because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter can be written as 1 m. So let's see some examples. This is the cloth shop what I was talking. Now customer is asking for 5 meter cloth. 5 meter means 5 into 100 centimeter. That is 500 centimeter. But it is easy to say 5 meter cloth than saying 500 centimeter cloth. Hence we use meter for bigger things or longer objects. On screen you can see a table which 9 meter length, 3 meter height, width 1.5 meter. So the length of the table is 900 centimeter or 9 meter. Similarly, the height of the table is 300 centimeter or 3 meter. And width of the table is 1.5 meter. 100 centimeter plus 50 centimeter, that is 150 centimeter. Children, please note 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Children, you can do this small activity at your home, like measuring the door's height and length of your bats and so on. But what about the larger things like distance from home to school? Yes, for this we have new measurement unit, that is kilometer. On screen you can see distance between home and school is 7.5 kilometers. Children, see here, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and half kilometer is 500 meters, and the total is 7500 meters. Children, it is easy to say 7.5 kilometers or 7.5 kilometers rather than 7500 meters. Hence, we use kilometers for long distance or large things. Let's take one more example. The distance between Pune and Mumbai is somewhere around 150 kilometers, which comes 1,50,000 meters. After converting, again note here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I hope you cleared with measurement units now. So now let's have a small activity or small quiz. First column, there are the list of objects. Children, now you have to find out the suitable measuring units for them. For length of the table, which unit you are going to use? Yes, it should be meter. For distance between Pune to Delhi, which unit? Yes, kilometer. Thickness of paper, which unit you are going to use? Yes, it should be millimeter. Papa's height, it should be meter. Height of glass, it should be centimeter. Length of mobile, it should be centimeter. Length of bed, yes, meter. Distance between Pune to Agra, yes, it should be kilometer. Yes, children, this is all about measurement. Thank you, children. See you in the next video. Bye bye.